Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, who arrived in Russia on Friday, will bring back the holy relics of Lord Buddha to India following their exposition in Elista, the capital city of the Republic of Kalmykia. The Indian delegation, led by Manoj Sinha, will return to New Delhi on 19 October, carrying the sacred relics of Lord Buddha. The sacred relics, recognized as a national treasure of India, were brought to the capital city of Elista by a high-level delegation led by Keshav Prasad Maurya, Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, and including senior Indian monks, in September. The Republic of Kalmykia in Russia predominantly consists of Buddhist population. The exposition of the holy relics of Lord Buddha has drawn more than 1 lakh devotees so far, who paid their reverent homage to the relics. Enshrined at the iconic Gedain Shedup Chokaling Monastery, popularly known as the Golden Abode of Shakyamuni Buddha. This historic exposition, the first of its kind in the Russian Republic, is a testament to the deep civilizational bonds between India and Russia. It revives the enduring legacy of the 19th Kushak Bakula Rinpoche, the revered Buddhist monk and diplomat from Ladakh, who was instrumental in reviving Buddhism in Mongolia and reigniting interest in the Buddha Dharma in Russian regions like Kalmykia, Buryatia, and Tuva. The exposition of the holy relics of Lord Buddha in Kalmykia is a landmark event that represents a historic homecoming of faith for the Kalmyk people, the only Buddhist nation in Europe. It stands as a powerful bridge of spiritual friendship between India and Russia, showcasing India's efforts in cultural ties and the unifying power of the Buddha's teachings. The event has been organized by the BTI section of the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, in collaboration with the International Buddhist Confederation, the National Museum, and the Indira Gandhi National Centre for the Arts. The exposition will come to an end on Saturday.